So how these 30% come together? So basically, that's one of the questions that our customers usually ask in the first place. So basically, we see that they come from two main parts. So one of the things is, of course, electrical infrastructure. So the thing that we do, we install specific sensors on the incoming electricity grid, and we analyze incoming power. We analyze reactive energy, we analyze phase load, we analyze voltage quality, and that type of thing. You can be, you would be surprised how many companies that have grown from the small factory to this large facility, how complex their electrical infrastructures are. And oftentimes they are overloaded. Oftentimes people do not understand what is happening in which part of the factory. And with this type of energy management tool, we are able to pinpoint different problem points and to organize this energy infrastructure in a more optimized way,